Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your keyboard is hot swap or soldered, because that dictates the path. Once done, remove keycaps and test every switch to know which make the loud clicks. Next, sort and label keycaps so reassembly is exact. Then prepare your tools: switch opener, lubricant, thin foam or silicone dampener, and 5 O-rings. Start with a single row to build rhythm. This first row proves the technique and prevents unnecessary full teardown if you changed course. Now you perform the detailed sound control. Open each switch and apply a thin, even coat of lubricant to the stem rails and spring top. This reduces friction and harsh mechanical clack. Once lubed, install switch films to minimize wobble and add a thin foam layer between plate and PCB for cavity damping. That converts resonance into deadened vibration. Finally, fit 5 O-rings under caps to soften bottom outs. Work methodically, testing rows as you go so you can hear incremental improvement. Reassemble the keyboard, then type normal sentences to verify the new profile. Make sure to tune actuation in firmware if your board supports it, because altering travel can change perceived sound. If you still hear ping or harsh tones, swap to a slightly thicker foam or try a different O-ring thickness. Sound is about combinations, not one magic part. If specific keys remain noisy, isolate them by pressing single keys. Most residual noise comes from unstabilized keys, so re-lube and clip stay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.